Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the keyboard in your Panasonic Toughbook CF-53. First thing you want to do is remove the battery and hard drive. This unit already has them both removed. Now you want to remove the 3 screws here. They hold down. Now you want to remove the 3 screws on this little plastic piece here. This holds down the actual keyboard. It's kind of tucked under, so you want to use your flathead or whatever prying tool to get underneath. Just be careful not to break it. Once that's off, the keyboard itself will also pop up. Sometimes there is some tape holding it down. Now all the connectors are underneath the metal cover. You'll need to remove these 2 screws as well. And now that we can get to the connectors, you can use your screwdriver to separate the ribbon cables from the connectors. There should be 2 cables. And now you can replace the keyboard. Since this one's fine, I'll put that right back in. You want to reattach your ribbon cables. Install the cover plate back and make sure everything's sealed. And you're all done. Reassemble in the same order. And thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.